Johnson's family of five, Jason, 12, Melissa, 9, Jordan, 18 months, and Mr. and Mrs. Johnson, became embroiled in battling a force of nature due to a hurricane called Sandy. The danger they experienced came not only from the heavy weight of the storm that dreadful night, but from the lightning which caught their barn out back on fire, triggering much panic amongst both the family and their animals. The story ends the way most stories end when you live well with your neighbors. People who've got your back at all times, good and bad. The Murphys, who had 5 much older sons, rushed to the Johnsons' family when they observed that fire had been ignited by the lightning and did whatever needed to be done to ensure everyone was safe and secure until the fire services could arrive to take care of the rest, which